Hi guys, welcome back to our channel FactsNquiz. Can you identify the animal by its tail? Take this 17 questions quiz to find out. Let's go! Identify the animal by its tail. A beaver's tail can measure up to 18 inches long and 5 inches wide. Beavers slap their tail on the surface of water to alert others to danger in the area. Guess the animal tail. Scorpions have a curved, segmented tail with a venomous stinger. Of the roughly 1,500 species of scorpions, only 25 have venom potent enough to be considered dangerous to humans. Identify the animal by its tail. Happy domestic pigs tend to have a curly tail, but when the pigs are stressed, their tail is flattened and tucked between their legs. Guess the animal tail. The tails of squirrels are so prominent that the animals are named for them. The word squirrel comes from the Greek skioros, meaning shade tail. Identify the animal by its tail. Iguanas, like many other lizards, can lose their tail and fully regrow it. The process can take several months, and the new tail will be shorter and have different coloration. Guess the animal tail. Ring-tailed lemurs are named for the 13 alternating white and black bands on their tail. Identify the animal by its tail. The rattle of a rattlesnake gets larger each time the snake sheds its skin. However, because a rattlesnake sheds 3 or 4 times a year, its age can't be determined by its rattle alone. Guess the animal tail. Many of the bows used to play stringed instruments, such as the violin, are made using hair from horses' tails. Identify the animal by its tail. Opossums have a furless tail that is prehensile. They can wrap their tail around tree limbs, which allows an opossum to dangle for short periods of time. Guess the animal tail. A thresher shark's tail makes up almost half its body length. Thresher sharks are known to use their long, scythe-like tail to stun prey or to frighten prey by thrashing the water. Identify the animal by its tail. Although rabbit tails frequently look like a small puff of fur, they contain 15 or 16 tiny bones. Identify the animal by its tail. Alligators have a strong tail, used not only for swimming quickly, but also as a defensive weapon. The blow from an alligator tail is powerful enough to render a person unconscious. Guess the animal tail. Foxes use their tail for balance, to keep warm in cold temperatures, and to signal danger to other foxes. Identify the animal by its tail. Howler monkey's prehensile tail is thickly furred, except for the underside of the tip, which is bald to allow for a better grip. Identify the animal by its tail. Leopards have a tail that can measure up to 39 inches long and help them balance on narrow tree branches. Guess the animal tail. A giraffe's tail can measure more than 3 feet long, and the long, wiry tuft on the end has been used to weave belts and jewelry. Identify the animal by its tail. The flat, rounded tail of the manatee propels it forward in water. Manatees usually swim at about 5 miles per hour, but can reach up to 3 times that speed if necessary.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.